Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Edge Lightning on OPPO A60. Edge Lightning feature is not accessible by default, of course. This feature is not available on this device. However, we can open the Google Play Store in order to find, download and install third-party apps that work in a similar way. All we need to do is search for Edge Lightning app, and we have multiple different apps which we can install and use on our device. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one as it has pretty good rating and lots of downloads, and I'm gonna install this app and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. It has lots of customization, and I'm pretty sure if you really wish to have the Edge Lightning, then you will be happy with the customization options. So once we open the app, over here we can select the Edge Lightning to apply it to home and lock screen. From time to time we'll see ads, of course, so be aware of them. They happen, they occur quite often, so unfortunately this is something that we have to deal with. So let's say I'm gonna choose just two colors, and let's say I'm gonna choose this green and blue. We can of course set the background, as if we go to the home screen then you will notice that we have no background. But we can apply a photo, we can choose a photo from our own gallery. Of course, we will see one more ad. If we scroll down, we have the animation direction. So let's say bottom to top. We have the border settings, we can readjust the animation speed. We can change the border size. We can change the border size on the lock screen as well. We have the radius for the bottom. So if you want to readjust the coolness, then it is possible really easily. And the same goes with the top, of course, and so on and so forth. So you can spend several minutes inside this app in order to adjust it and make it work just as you wish it to work. We can enable the notch over here if needed. We can create something like this. We can create the notch, we can create the hole. Of course, we can reposition the hole to match it with the hole of our device, just as you wish it to be. Of course, the notch can also be adjusted. We can change the height and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.